Making a video here for Nvidia, and if you just go on Google and you type in Nvidia news, you can see all this bullshit here. In my opinion, take a look at Money Morning or Seeking Alpha or CNBC, StreetSider. These are just trying to skew you away from reality, in my opinion. You can even read this title here: Nvidia, the bubble might finally be bursting. Right? Don't let them try to scare you out of your money. Look at all these clickbait like thumbnails as well, right? Look for a YouTube channel that's neutral on it. At least I think Parkev is pretty neutral in my opinion. Let's go ahead and take a look at Nvidia stock today, right? And again, I'm also going to share my own personal opinion. Not trying to scare anybody as well, right? There's no like bubble bursting in my opinion for Nvidia stock. The whole world literally demands on this stock. We have the 50 EMA here on the weekly chart, and I'm pretty sure we're going to be respecting it during this week. I'm 99% certain we close above 117.63 during this week. Currently, we're at 117.19, right? See on the top left here where the 50 EMA is? We've been respecting this 50 EMA for quite some time now on the weekly chart. I don't see us breaking down below the 50 EMA, at least as of this week, okay? You can see the current price is 117. I don't think we're going to break down below 117. If we do, right, $96 here is going to be the major bottom level going into the next couple of weeks. But my personal opinion is we're going to remain above 117.72 by the end of this week. We should be closing above 117.72. I keep reiterating this. I'm going to go ahead and say it again because we should be able to see a reversal back towards 142. And eventually, within March, I do think we'll get a test of 153. Right? If people are trying to scare you on the internet with all this FUD and just so much fear and uncertainty, you might as well just, in my opinion, understand that this is a buy the dip opportunity between 117 and 96. That's at least how I'm viewing it. And again, by the end of this week, today is March 5th, so we have March 6th and then March 7th. I believe we will end above 117.72. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments for Nvidia. Do you think the bubble is bursting? Like I don't think so. I honestly think that Nvidia has a lot more upside potential. Let's go ahead and just take a look at even the hourly chart, right? We're currently in a bearish crossover. Last couple of days trending below 117.72. This, as you can see, is a dip opportunity. When we dip down to 108, look how quickly it got bought back up, right? Now just heading sideways, trying to determine the price where we want to be at, right? Are we going to break down below back to 108? I don't think so. I personally think we're going to see upside movement. I personally would even say keep an eye out for a test towards 121, 125 going into the next 2 days here for Nvidia stock. So Thursday, Friday, that's just my personal prediction. Keep an eye out for 121 and 125. I really think we do 100%, almost 100%. We'll break above 117.72, and I think we're going to end above 117.72 at the end of this week, okay? Take that with a grain of salt. Do what you want to do. This is just my opinion. If you guys are looking for a community with no BS, no hype, join our Discord, link down below in the description. We have over 32,000 members there. Everybody's sharing due diligence. People are asking questions. It's a good place to learn. It's a good place to ask questions and share discussions. That does include Nvidia stock and as well as any other stocks like Palantir, Tesla, you name it. There's just a bunch of channels there you can take a look at, all right? If you're looking for our live entries and exits on options and also stocks for short-term and long-term trade ideas, you can join our Patreon. Currently have a 90% off permanent discount. It's a pretty huge discount. Yes, 90% off because we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. If that's something you're interested in, check out the link down below. If you don't believe it, just click on Patreon, link down below in the description. You can see for yourself, okay? Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video for Nvidia stock. And again, don't let the internet fool you, okay? Do what you got to do your own due diligence, and know what you own. I think Nvidia is going to end above 117.72 by the end of this week.